Every light switch you flip, every outlet you plug into. Somewhere behind that wall, someone spent years learning how to make it safe. This is what it actually looks like to become an electrician. The years it takes, the money you make at each stage, and the moments that mark real progress in this trade. The apprentice. It starts as an apprentice. No electrical experience required. Just a willingness to learn and, usually, a high school diploma or GED. In year 1, you're not touching a live circuit alone. You're learning tool names, safety protocol, and how to read a blueprint. You work directly under a licensed electrician for every task. The pay reflects that. Roughly $21,000 to $35,000 a year, often calculated as a percentage of what a full journeyman earns locally, commonly 40 to 50%. The milestone here isn't a certificate. It's earning enough trust to be handed a task without someone standing over your shoulder. The advancing apprentice. Between year 1 and year 4, the apprentice starts doing real work. Running conduit, wiring circuits, troubleshooting. Supervision is still required by law, but it's less hands-on. This stretch also includes classroom hours, often 500 to 1,000 per year, covering the National Electrical Code, theory, and safety standards, on top of the on-the-job hours. Pay climbs steadily each year, moving from the low $30,000 up toward $55,000 by year 4. The milestone in this window is quieter but important. The first time you solve a problem on your own without calling your supervisor over. The journeyman exam. Around year 4 or 5, after roughly 8,000 hours of on-the-job training, you sit for the journeyman licensing exam. This is the single biggest milestone in the career. Pass it, and everything changes. You're now licensed to work independently. No more direct supervision required. In many states, you can pull permits. The pay jump is immediate and significant. Journeymen typically earn $50,000 to $75,000 a year, or about $25 to $45 an hour. It's the moment the trade stops being training and starts being a career. The experienced journeyman from here, the path branches. Journeymen start to specialize: residential, commercial, industrial, or low voltage and data work. Some start mentoring apprentices, passing on what they learned years earlier. Earnings rise with specialization and experience, typically landing between $60,000 and $85,000 a year. The milestone in this stretch is reputation, becoming the person a contractor specifically requests for a job, rather than just any licensed electrician who's available. Master electrician. After several more years as a journeyman, usually 2 to 4, and another state exam, you can become a master electrician. This is the ceiling of the formal career path. Master electricians can design electrical systems, supervise crews, pull permits without restriction, and legally own an electrical contracting business. Pay reflects that authority. $75,000 to $90,000 plus a year, with business owners often earning significantly more depending on how the company grows. Strip away the job titles, and the electrician's career is really just 3 transitions: from supervised to independent, from independent to trusted specialist, and from specialist to someone who can build and run the whole operation. Each one is marked by a test, a title, and a raise. Apprentice to journeyman, journeyman to master. It's a trade built on hours, thousands of them, before anyone hands you the keys. But it's also one of the few careers where you can start with no experience and, within a decade, be running your own business.